I'm gonna start my morning commute here, give you what it looks like, day in the life of going and working in downtown Sydney. And here's just a balcony view before I run off. Nothing too crazy, but it's nice. Brings in a lot of light. So yeah, that's my office commute. Pretty quick, takes only about 20 minutes. And oftentimes I will walk home and also sometimes walk to the office, but I don't like getting sweaty before coming in. So I will use the light rail on the way in and then walk a lot on the way back. And not the best view of downtown, but the Opera House and the harbor are only a few minutes away. And I do like all the natural light that comes in. It's nice.